Hello, my friend. I am Alex. Welcome to your English listening practice. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word. You don't need to study. You don't need to translate. Just listen and feel the meaning. Take a deep breath. Relax your mind. Let's begin your story. I want you to think about a feeling I know very well. It's the feeling you get when someone speaks English to you, and the words, they sound like one long, confusing noise. Your heart starts to beat a little faster. Your mind feels empty, a little scared. You want to understand, but you can't. It's like a door is closing in front of you. Pattern interrupt, humorous and relatable. It's okay. We have all been there. I promise you, even the best English speakers felt this way in the beginning. It's like trying to read a book in the dark. You just need to turn on the light. And today, my friend, we are turning on the light. In this video, I will speak very, very slowly. You will understand every single word. We will walk this path together, step by step, word by word. No fear, no stress. Just a beautiful, slow journey into understanding English. My name is Your Name, and this is your safe place to learn. Today we are going on a quiet adventure, a simple story about a girl, a park, and a little lost friend. Are you ready to understand everything? Let's begin our journey. Before our story starts, let's prepare our minds for learning. This is very important. Listening is not a race. It is not a competition. It is a skill, like learning to play a beautiful song on the piano. We start slowly. I want you to do two things for me. First, just listen. Don't worry about remembering every word. Just let the sounds and the story come into your mind. Imagine the pictures. See the story like a movie in your head. Second, if you hear a word you like or a phrase that sounds nice, you can repeat it after me. There is no one here to judge you. This is your practice time. Our story is called The Lost Puppy Adventure. It's a story about kindness, about helping others, and about a happy ending. You will hear the same words many times. This is how your brain learns. It finds patterns. It finds comfort in repetition. Okay, the music is playing. You are comfortable. Let's enter the world of our story. Our story begins on a Saturday morning. It is not a Monday, it is not a Tuesday, it is Saturday. Saturday is a day for rest, a day for relaxation. The sun is in the sky. It is a bright sun. It is a warm sun. It makes everything feel happy and light. The sky, look up at the sky in your mind. The sky is blue, a very light, beautiful blue. There are no clouds. It is a perfect sky. In this beautiful park, there is a girl. Her name is Emma. Emma is a kind girl. She has a smile that makes other people smile. Today, Emma is in the park. She is walking, but she is not walking fast. She is not running. She is walking slowly, very slowly. She is enjoying the morning. She is listening to the birds. The birds are singing a happy song. She can hear the leaves on the trees moving in the soft wind. Repeat with slight variation. She is in the park. She is walking slowly. She is listening to the birds. She is smiling. Let's look at these sentences. She is walking. She is listening. She is smiling. We use is plus ing to talk about what is happening right now, in this moment. This is called the present continuous tense. It's for actions that are happening now. For example, you are listening to my voice. You are learning English. And I am speaking to you. We are all using the present continuous right now. Pattern interrupt, encouraging question. Isn't it amazing? You are already understanding grammar without even trying too hard. You are doing so well. Voiceover. So Emma is walking. She is happy. She feels the warm sun on her skin. She feels peaceful. But then, something changes. She hears a new sound. It is not a bird. It is not the wind. It is a different sound, a soft sound, a sad sound. It is a very quiet sound, but Emma hears it. She stops walking. She stands still. She listens carefully. Her smile disappears. She feels curious. What is that sound? Where is it coming from? She looks to the left. She looks to the right. And then she sees it, a big green bush. The sound is coming from behind the big green bush. What could it be? Maybe a small animal? Maybe a child? Emma's heart feels a little nervous, but also kind. She wants to know. She needs to know. She decides to look. Emma walks slowly towards the big green bush. She doesn't want to scare the thing that is making the sound. She moves very, very carefully. She uses her hand to move the leaves of the bush. She moves them gently. And then she sees. She sees two big brown eyes looking back at her. They are wet eyes, sad eyes. It is a puppy, a little puppy. It is a brown color like chocolate. It is very small. It is sitting on the ground alone. Repeat with emotion. A little brown puppy. It is alone. The word alone. This is an important word. Alone means with no other people, with no other animals, by itself. It can be a happy word sometimes, like when you want to be alone to read a book. But now, for this puppy, alone is a sad word, a scary word. The puppy looks at Emma. The puppy is shaking. It is scared. It is cold. It is lost. Emma looks around. Is there a person here? A owner? Number? There is no one. The park is quiet. The puppy is alone. Emma feels a strong emotion in her heart. She feels sorry for the puppy. To feel sorry means to feel sadness for someone else, to feel sympathy. She wants to help this little animal. What do you feel right now? If you see a little lost animal, what is the feeling in your heart? I feel it too. It's a feeling of kindness. It's a beautiful feeling. Emma slowly, slowly reaches out her hand. She doesn't want to scare the puppy. Her hand moves closer and closer. She speaks in a very soft voice, a quiet voice. Hello, she says. Hello, little puppy. Are you lost? Are you okay? The puppy looks at her hand. It smells her hand. It stops shaking for a moment. It takes one small step forward, then another. This is a good sign. The puppy is not so scared now. But now, Emma has a big problem. A very big problem. She has a little lost puppy, but she does not know who the owner is. She does not know where the puppy lives. This is the big problem. How can she solve this mystery? How can she find the puppy's home? She needs a clue. She needs an idea. And then she remembers. Many dogs have a collar. A collar is a thing around the dog's neck, and on the collar, there is sometimes a tag with information. She looks at the puppy's neck. Yes, there is a brown collar, and there is a small metal tag on the collar. Her heart feels hope. But the writing on the tag is very, very small. She cannot read it from here. She needs to get closer. What does the tag say? Does it have a name? Does it have a phone number? The future of this little puppy depends on this small piece of metal. Let's take a short break to practice our words, and then we will discover the secret of the tag together. Wonderful listening so far. You are doing an amazing job. Let's review the important words and phrases we have heard. I will say them, and you can repeat them in your mind or out loud. Ready? Saturday morning. The sun is bright. The sky is blue. She is walking slowly. She is listening to the birds. A big green bush. A little brown puppy. It is alone. It is shaking. She feels sorry. She reaches out her hand. A collar and a tag. Excellent. You are remembering so many words. This is how you build your vocabulary. Now, let's go back to the story. Emma is about to read the tag. So Emma is looking at the little metal tag. The puppy is calm now. It trusts her. She moves her head closer. She holds the tag gently between her fingers. The writing is small, but she can read it. She reads the words slowly. The first line says, "My name is Coco." Coco. That is the puppy's name. What a beautiful name. "Hello, Coco," Emma says softly. The puppy wags its little tail. It likes its name. She reads the second line. "If I am lost, please call my family." And below that, there is a phone number. A series of numbers. This is the answer. This is the solution to the problem. Emma feels a wave of relief. Relief is the feeling when a big problem is solved. When the worry goes away, she feels so happy. She takes her mobile phone from her pocket. She presses the numbers on the screen, one by one. The phone starts to ring. After 2 rings, a woman answers the phone. "Hello?" says the woman. She sounds worried. "Hello?" says Emma. "I found a puppy named Coco in the park. Is he your dog?" The woman on the phone is so happy. She says, "Oh, thank you. Yes, Coco is our puppy. We are looking for him. We are so worried. Please wait in the park. We will come now." Emma smiles a big, big smile. She tells the woman, "Okay, I will wait here with Coco. He is safe." She finishes the call and looks at Coco. "It's okay, Coco," she says. "Your family is coming. You are going home." About 10 minutes later, a car arrives near the park. A man, a woman, and a small boy get out of the car. They are running towards Emma and Coco. The little boy shouts, "Coco! Coco!" When Coco sees the boy, he becomes so excited. He barks a happy bark. He runs to the boy and jumps into his arms. He licks the boy's face. It is a beautiful, happy moment. The family thanks Emma again and again. "Thank you. Thank you so much. You are a hero," they say. Emma feels warm inside. She feels proud. She helped a little life today. The family and Coco get into their car and drive home. Emma watches them go. The park is quiet again, but Emma's heart is full of happiness. The adventure is over. It has a perfect, happy ending. And just like Emma, you have completed a journey. You listened to a complete story in English. You understood the feelings, the problems, and the solutions. You learned new words and how to use them. You faced the fear of not understanding, and you won. You stayed until the end. I am so, so proud of you. Remember this feeling, the feeling of understanding. This is your light, and you can make it brighter every day. The story of Emma and Coco is finished, but your English story is just beginning. If you want to continue this journey and learn more words to make your own stories, I have a perfect next step for you. On your screen now, you will see my next video. It is called Insert Topic, e.g., 500 Most Common English Words with Examples and Stories. In that video, we will explore the essential words that will help you understand even more, just like we did today. It's the perfect way to keep building your confidence. You can click on the video on the screen or check the link in the description below. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your courage. Keep listening, keep learning, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.